Hey guys, me and Psycho here. Gonna play some Warframe. Me and Psycho. Playing some Warframe.
Hey, we got 2 sticks now.
Wait, mate. Wait, I can't move mine.
Fly upwards.
Okay, give me a second.
Downwards.
Okay, now I can fly mine. Up, down.
Die, die, die.
We're playing some Warframe.
Oh, it's a rescue mission.
I know.
Oh, look at this. Timber Golden.
Oh my god, he's so cute.
I customized my color, so yeah.
Cookie over here is playing some Far Cry. Dude, you look nice.
I know.
Oh, it's this level? Okay.
You already played this one?
Yeah, but I'll play it again.
Just run.
Good question. Don't care. Because they're new slaves. They're the people we'd be killing either way. So, I mean, unless if they're good and like would be traitors.
Bro, look at this. If I give you some.
Wait, dude, come here.
Oh my god.
Do it. Psycho, look at him. He's hanging. Oh, he was hanging for me. I'll show you the footage.
Bro, I thought, bro, Pop, look at this.
Oh my god.
He's in my car.
Wait, is that the same dog?
Yeah.
Oh my god, that's so cute. Yeah, like I said, Psycho's playing, I mean not Psycho, Cookie is playing some Far Cry.
Oh gosh, you can't strong, he hurts. Go. Oh!
Okay.
Oh!
Yeah, I'm thinking of hack those.
Oh! That's how you do it.
Do you know how to roll?
Yeah.
No,
I know slide, which I like sliding more.
Wait, how do you slide?
You run and Timber just revived me.
Never mind. Wait, what did you name your dog?
You need to run.
His name is Timber.
Just
You just revived me.
Walk forward.
Bruh.
I was dead and you revived me.
Okay. Wait, mate.
You know you can just tap and launch it out.
Okay. I'm just killing as many people as I can because it's fun. Get some good YouTube content.
That time.
Fast traveling.
Machine gun knives. Oh, you already killed them. Nope. Okay. Machine gun knives. Ah!
I look at most happy. Most stuff are a lot better.
But I can do this.
Alright.
Come on, we going?
Alright. Oh no. Alright. Again.
I need to kill somebody with my electricity here soon.
I want to use my sword dash a little bit.
Okay.
Want to see my sword dash?
Yeah, sure.
I'm gonna watch.
Wait, you want to see my electric? And wait. But I need more energy. I'll tell you when I get it again.
Yo, isn't that? It isn't that hard. Hacking time.
Oh, they must supposed to be activated at the same time. 3, 2, 1.
I'm taking the opposite side.
Wait, come here. Look, this is my electricity. I see somebody use it on as well. Look, do you see it?
I'm coming. I just had to jump down from 1,000 feet in the air. And I can't. Fine.
No, the warden! Whatever.
Let's do this.
Fighting's fun. More YouTube! I was
the content!
doing this for you.
I'm gonna hack the security system.
Got it. Oh my god, the lag. Just lagged out so hard. Have you hacked it yet?
Almost done. Bruh. Got it. Roll it out.
Oh, there's a turret? Oh my god, dude, look, there's a turret!
Hurry up, dude, hurry up.
Hey, how do I get out of this though? Okay, I'm coming. Let's go. I'll hack. You hack that first one, I'll hack this one.
I could have done the one on the very left.
Got him. Okay.
We got him.
Does he have the secondary weapon? Okay, he has my secondary weapon. Let's go.
You just gotta speed run this part.
Yeah, I know. Because he just follows you. He kind of just like teleports and follows you. I don't think he can really die, so.
Who?
Darvo.
Turbo. What
The
the?
guy you have to rescue.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, don't take any damage or you're gonna die really quickly.
Okay.
Because your shield takes up like 99% of your damage. 99% of your damage you take.
Where do we go? Where do we go? Hack the panel. Hack the panel.
Okay, I'll hack it. I'm really good at hacking.
I suck at it.
Done.
I recommend using bow since that one has more power.
Yeah, I know. I am using my bow. He has my secondary weapon right now. Okay, I just took back my.
What's up? No!
What's wrong?
I got hit. I got hit.
Oh my god, that could have been worse for both of us. Oh my god. Lasers?
Just run.
We went the wrong way, I think.
Nope, I went the right way. Never mind, I got stuck.
I see the place where we get to our ships. Come on.
Coming.
Come to me. Okay, teleport it to me.
I'm running.
Okay. Now, give me my second.
Jump! I thought that would be epic and I actually won something. Nope. I died.
Where's the ship? Oh, finally.
Sorry.
Mine lagged out for a second. Like, it just would not let me go on the ship.
I want to die.
Okay, cool.
What is that?
Okay. My
I
stuff,
guess,
most of my stuff got leveled up.
okay, I'm gonna be back on the next level.
What is BT on the next level?
Guys, I'm back and I customized my guy. Look at him. He looks dope. Oh my god, bro. He looks dope. Okay. Well, I just want to show you him real quick. I will be good. And we are back on the loading page.
We're back in the game with the white band.
Wait. Okay. Now I can control. Woo!
Wow.
Yeah.
Loop-de-loop. What can I do loop-de-loop?
If you could do loop-de-loop, that'd be awesome. May I just say real quick that this game is so clean looking?
Yeah. You there you are. You ready?
Yeah. Look at my skin, bro. You also look amazing. Got him.
I want to kill the next dude.
Okay, kill him.
You'll set off.
Okay, next guy, I want to try to electrocute him, because I've not electrocuted anybody this whole game.
I have a sword dash and negative.
Yeet. Ha, get wrecked. Okay. Hey, bud, surprise! Surprise!
Yo, why'd you just run past the guy?
Okay, wait, there's a bunch of people for you to get.
DoorDash.
Okay.
My DoorDash can take out many people at once.
Yeah, so can my electrocute. Hey, wait, what's this? Anything with hacking, I will be doing because I can hack unlike you.
Oh, dang.
It's funny as you fall down, I just activate the elevator.
Oh, we had to go upstairs again.
For what? And cool. Electrocute.
So,
Oh, it's supposed to kill 30 other enemies now.
yep.
Fun. I'm gonna make this a little montage, maybe.
I love the alien. I'm trying. Oh, jeez. That's what he's got there. Dude, try to get as many materials as you can.
Ooh, explosions. Oh gosh.
Ew, explosion. Oh god. Oh, we're just gonna pause the video and we're just gonna make it slow.
I mean, I already restarted the vid. Okay, he's dead already.
Yo, don't always drop the energy.
No, 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 no. Well, yeah, I'm gonna be pausing a lot during this session because, like I've said multiple times in past videos, I can only record up to 15 minutes, and it's already been 12. So, oh my god.
There's so many bad ones.
Brutality! I love it. Electric! Haha! Ah! I love this.
I love my short gas. It's overpowered.
Electricity's overpowered.
One more guy.
Oh my god. And
Got him.
got him.
Let's get back to the ship. Run. No.
I just heard your dog whine. Wait, can your dog die?
Yes.
What happens if it does die?
Oh, we have to wait to get him back.
How long does that take?
Oh, a while. What do we do?
So basically nothing really happens though.
Yeah, nothing big happens.
Yeah.
I just committed the suicides. I'm beating this slowly to death.
Ah.
Where are you even supposed to go?
Here, come to me. Okay. I'll tell you guys when okay, and we completed the level.
And I only my blade, my parents, my bow, and like 2 and I are ranked 3, which sucks.
Okay, well, this was a good video.